My name is Anisha Mila binti Syarudale, UK 23482. I'm from K40. Today I want to explain about essay outline, which is investigate what are the effects of human trust to the endangered species. In our assignment, I will take over about introduction and conclusion. But firstly, I want to explain about introduction. Okay, introduction has three parts, which are hood, background information, and thesis statement. Okay, hood is endangered species. Is a species at risk of extinction because of human activity, change in climate, in predator-prey ratios, and the hood can explain about endangered species means. About background information, the species become extinct due to human activity, such as taking out the trees, deforestation, illegal logging, and so on. Taking out the trees is the biggest affecting to the endangered species. And the thesis statement. There are three main effects to the endangered species, which are ocean debris, water surrounding become pollute to endangered species, and also damage the food sources.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Najat from Sheridan, UK 34546. Today I'm from K40. Today 14. Today I want to talk about body paragraph 1. The topic sentence for the paragraph 1. Firstly, the effect of human trash to endangered species in ocean. Is ocean garbage patch. The supporting sentence, which are labeled as A, B, and C. That is plastic debris such as plastic bag, bottle cup, and other type of plastic are floating on the surface of water. For the B, chemical amount in the plastic that are harmful for animal also sink into groundland, and the C, plastic also is endangered by hundreds of species stocking and serving them. The topic sentence talk about the impact of human trash. So, in my body paragraph, which are my supporting sentence, I'm explain what the effect of human trash to the endangered species in the ocean. And then the dotted line is the purple. The pink color. Explain, or we call it as a sub point for my sub point, which are my A, B, and C. For my A, my sub point is this create a big problem because plastic are not biodegradable. And for my B, for example, bird and filter feeder fish mistake plastic for fish, plankton, and other food. So in the body paragraph, we need to elaborate, or we have to have a controlling idea to support our topic sentence. And lastly, the concluding sentence, which are so ocean garbage patch are harmful for animal and also for environment. That's all from me.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zulfa binti Ahmed. My UK number UK 36151. I'm group from K40. Okay, today I will represent about the body paragraph. As we know, the body paragraph have three parts, such as topic sentence, supporting sentence, and concluding sentence. Okay, for topic sentence, secondly, the effect of human trash to endangered species is the water surrounding become polluted to the endangered species. Okay, for supporting sentence, A capital. Today, many irresponsible people who have been throwing trash into the river because they think their house near the river as well as to facilitate their work. Okay, for supporting sentence, the endangered species will lose habitat and through the garbage will be deteriorate the water quality. For supporting sentence, for example, the garbage is thrown by people such as the bottle, plastic, fossil fuel, and so on. Okay, for the last concluding sentence. Concluding sentence is as a result, to avoid the water pollution, we should to reduce throwing the trash into the river. Okay, thank you.
I am Nafisa binti Muhammad Saidi from group 40. Want to explain about the body paragraph. Okay, the body paragraph contains three parts, which is topic sentence, supporting sentence, and concluding sentence. The topic sentence for the body paragraph 3 is lastly, the effect of human trash to the endangered species is damage the food source. Okay, for the supporting sentence, for the topic sentence is many of the trash is covering the habitat and shelter of the endangered species. Okay, for the supporting sentence, there are two sub point and supporting sentence, which is endangered species cannot find their food because the food spoiled with the trash. The second supporting sentence is when the source of food is lower, the capability the endangered species to die is higher. So we can conclude the sentence from body paragraph 3. The trash totally disturb the food chain in an ecosystem, especially for endangered species.
Conclusion, we have two parts. There's which are first rephrasing thesis statement and suggestion or recommendation. Rephrase thesis statement is we change the thesis statement and took the thesis statement into the conclusion. The rephrasing thesis statement is, to sum up, human trash can give many side effects to the endangered extinction, such as ocean garbage, but the water surrounding become polluted to the endangered species, and it can also damage the food resources. We can suggest in conclusion, our suggestion is to avoid the endangered species become decreased or dead. We should be protect the environment to ensure that the future generation can continue to enjoy the beauty of nature. We also should be alerting the public to keep the environment clean, and the process of recycling waste materials.
Okay, this is the whole essay that compiled from the outline essay. Okay, this whole essay contains one introduction, 3 body paragraph, and 1 conclusion. Okay, for the whole essay, there are topic sentence, supporting sentence. Okay, the whole essay contains topic sentence, supporting sentence, sub-supporting sentence, and lastly, concluding sentence. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.